where we uncover the marvels of nature and technology. Today we're taking a global tour to discover 25 of the world's most unique fruits. Get ready to expand your palate and your mind. 1. Mangosteen. From the lush tropics of Southeast Asia comes the mangosteen, a gem among fruits. Often crowned queen of fruits, its thick purple rind hides snow-white segments, bursting with sweet, tangy flavor and a delicate, juicy texture unlike anything else. This slow-growing tree takes up to 15 years to bear its first fruit, but a single mature tree can produce over 1,000 mangosteens in a good season. Beyond its taste, the fruit's slightly astringent qualities have long made it a staple of traditional medicine. Interestingly, mangosteens were banned from the United States until 2011 over concerns about the Asian fruit fly. Today, irradiated for safety, they've found their way into American markets, still rare, but treasured by those in the know. 2. Chempedak. Staying in Southeast Asia, meet Chempedak, sometimes called baby jackfruit, and nicknamed the fruit from heaven. Its spiky skin looks intimidating, but inside is a nutrient-packed treat. Unlike a tree fruit that simply hangs, Chempedak grows on a climbing vine and shows its bright orange color only once a year, a hue that signals a rich supply of beta-carotene and lycopene. In Vietnam, the fruit season coincides with Lunar New Year celebrations, where its red-orange color is considered a symbol of good luck. The taste is mild, somewhere between avocado and tomato, so it's usually cooked into dishes rather than eaten raw. One favorite being sticky rice cooked with the fruit seeds and pulp, which turns the rice a vivid red. Chempedak is now finding new life as juices and supplements for people seeking its health benefits outside its native region. 3. Feijoa. Native to the highlands of southern Brazil, the feijoa, affectionately known as pineapple guava, is a small, elliptical fruit quietly winning over chefs far from its South American roots. Its flavor is a mashup of tropical pineapple and sweet strawberry, entirely its own. Unlike fruit that's picked, feijoas fall to the ground when perfectly ripe. Crack open the jade-colored shell, and you'll find a fragrant, creamy interior dotted with seeds that pop with each bite. In New Zealand, feijoa season has become a genuine cultural event, with the vitamin C-rich fruit taking center stage at community gatherings, eaten fresh or blended into smoothies. 4. Dragon fruit. With vibrant pink skin and green scales, the white pitaya, better known as dragon fruit, looks like it belongs in a fantasy novel. Slice it open, and you'll find flesh like a starry night sky, white, speckled with tiny black seeds. Its flavor sits somewhere between kiwi and pear, and it's loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. Here's the fun twist. Dragon fruit actually grows on a cactus, one that blooms with stunning flowers only at night. 5. Salak. Found in the markets of Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, salak or snake fruit comes from a stemless, clumping palm with towering leaves. Its reddish-brown, scaly skin gives it its nickname. Peel it back and you'll find crisp, apple-like flesh with a bright, acidic kick. Ripe salak turns notably sweet, while unripe fruit stays sour and slightly tannic. In Indonesia, salak is candied, pickled, or tossed into spicy salads of unripe fruit. The palm itself, densely spined, is even planted as a natural security hedge. 6. Durian. In Indonesia, the Philippines, Malaysia, and southern Thailand, durian reigns as the undisputed king of fruits, as famous for its overpowering smell as for its rich, custard-like flesh. This heavyweight fruit can measure 6 to 8 inches across, its thorny husk protecting pale yellow flesh divided into chambers, each cradling seeds as big as chestnuts. Its aroma has been compared to everything from rotten onions to old gym socks, which has gotten it banned from some public spaces, yet fans insist the flavor carries notes of almond beneath the custardy texture. Despite the polarizing smell, durian remains a beloved symbol of Southeast Asia's bold flavors. 7. Tamarillo. Ever tried a fruit that surprises you with every bite? Meet the Tamarillo, or tree tomato, grown in the mountains of the Andes. Slice one open and you'll find vivid color and a flavor that's sweet, with a tangy edge like a tomato that went tropical. Hardy enough to handle varying Andean climates, The Tamarillo is remarkably versatile in the kitchen, blended into a sauce for ice cream, mixed into fresh salsa, or simply eaten once it ripens fully, which takes a little patience but rewards the wait. 8. Rambutan. Southeast Asia never runs out of fruit surprises, and rambutan is no exception. Its name comes from the Malay word for hare, a nod to its playful, hairy exterior, a close cousin of lychee, longan, and pulasan. Beneath the spines is sweet, mildly acidic flesh reminiscent of grapes. The tree itself can reach up to 24 meters tall. Rambutan's history stretches back centuries. Arab traders carried it to East Africa between the 13th and 15th centuries, and Dutch traders later brought it to the tropical Americas in the 1800s. Inside, translucent pale flesh surrounds a single glossy brown seed, and the fruit offers hydration, along with a modest dose of manganese. 9. Buddha's hand. In the realm of the extraordinary, Buddha's hand is a citrus curiosity unlike any other. Its finger-like segments unfurl like a strange, elegant gesture. There's no juicy pulp or seeds here. It's essentially all rind, carrying a sweet, floral, lemony fragrance that has perfumed homes and temples across Asia for centuries. Native to gardens in India and China, its zest lends a delicate citrus note to dishes and cocktails, while the surprisingly non-bitter pith can be candied or cooked. 10. Kiwano. Deep in the African savanna grows the kiwano, or horned melon. Vivid orange skin studded with horn-like spikes. Native to the Kalahari, its jelly-like, cucumber seed-filled interior offers a striking pop of color against the dry landscape. The flavor blends banana, lime, and cucumber into something entirely its own. Hardy enough to thrive where other crops struggle, Kiwano has become both a practical survivor and a rising star, with chefs looking for something new scooped into salads, blended into drinks, or added as a twist to desserts. 11. Ackee. Step into a Jamaican market and you'll find ackee, the nation's beloved fruit, part culinary vegetable. Brought from West Africa to Jamaica generations ago, ackee grows on a tropical evergreen that can reach 30 feet, with fragrant green flowers. When ripe, its red and yellow pods split open to reveal the fruit used in Jamaica's iconic ackee and saltfish. But ackee has a serious catch. Unripe fruit contains toxins that can cause a severe, potentially fatal illness known as Jamaican vomiting sickness. Properly ripened and prepared, though, its creamy texture, often compared to scrambled eggs, when cooked makes it a cherished centerpiece of Jamaican cuisine. 12. Cherimoya. In the sun-drenched valleys of South America, the heart-shaped cherimoya, with its green, dragon-scale skin, carries echoes of ancient Incan tradition. Mark Twain once called it the most delicious fruit known to man, and its sweet custard-like interior explains why. Grown at higher altitudes in mild, misty climates, the fruit carries notes of banana, pineapple, and strawberry, with large, glossy seeds nestled in its segmented flesh. It's often eaten straight from the skin with a spoon, or blended into smoothies and ice cream. 13. Jackfruit. Towering up to 20 meters, the jackfruit tree is a familiar sight across Bangladesh, India, Thailand, and the Philippines. Its fruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, sometimes weighing as much as 40 pounds. Unripe, green jackfruit is treated like a vegetable, a staple in curries and stews, and increasingly popular as a plant-based substitute for pulled meat ripened to golden brown. It's eaten fresh, offering flavors reminiscent of banana, pineapple, and mango. Canned and processed versions now carry jackfruit's tropical character well beyond its native range. 14. Miracle fruit. The miracle fruit, a small evergreen shrub from tropical West Africa, does something no other berry can. It turns sour flavors sweet. Bite into a lemon after eating one, and you'll taste sugar instead of acid. The trick comes from a glycoprotein called miraculin, identified by Japanese researcher Kenzo Kurihara in 1968. It doesn't taste sweet on its own, it simply rewires how your taste buds respond to acidity for up to 2 hours. And in the 1970s, it drew interest in the US as a sugar substitute, though the FEFTA classified it as a food additive requiring further testing, which slowed commercial momentum. It remains legal in many places today, sold fresh or in powdered form. 15. Monstera deliciosa, nicknamed the fruit salad plant. Monstera deliciosa lives up to its name with flavors reminiscent of banana, pineapple, mango, and passion fruit. All at once, some even detect a hint of strawberry. But patience is essential. The unripe fruit contains calcium oxalate crystals that can cause a painful burning sensation in the mouth. You'll know it's ready when the green scales lift away to reveal the creamy flesh beneath. The plant itself thrives in hot, humid climates from southern Mexico to Panama, and rarely fruits indoors. 16. Sapodilla. The sapodilla carries echoes of ancient civilizations in every bite. Its sap once formed the basis of the chewing gum industry, chewed by the Aztecs long before modern gum existed. The tree grows slowly, its wood as hard and enduring as the carved Mayan ruins still standing after 1,000 years. The fruit itself has a rough, rusty brown skin, hiding a rich, pear and brown sugar sweetness. Unripe, it's astringent and bitter with milky latex. Ripe, it turns into a soft, translucent treat, holding 2 to 5 glossy black seeds. 17. Soursop, also called guanabana. Soursop is a wild mix of citrus, strawberry, and banana flavors, a genuine fruit fiesta in every bite. Its spiky green exterior only gives up its creamy, fibrous flesh once fully ripe. Eaten too early, it's unpleasantly tart. Soursop shows up as a zing in smoothies, an unexpected twist in desserts, and a tropical note in savory dishes and cocktails alike. 18. Star apple. Native to the tropical corners of the West Indies and Central America, the star apple gets its name from the star-shaped pattern revealed when it's sliced crosswise. The tree can grow up to 50 feet tall, blooming with purplish-white flowers, and its fruit ranges in color from pale white to deep purple. Inside, the sweet, juicy flesh carries flavors reminiscent of apple, lychee, and persimmon, with a hint of citrus. 19. Ugly fruit. Don't judge this one by its name. The ugly fruit, a Jamaican citrus hybrid, resembling a cross between tangerine, orange, and grapefruit, trades looks for flavor. Its rough, wrinkled, sometimes pockmarked skin hides vibrant, juicy flesh that balances sweetness, tang, and a pleasant hint of bitterness. It works well in salads, marmalades, preserves, and cocktails, and delivers a healthy dose of vitamin C along the way. 20. White sapote. The white sapote traces its roots to the highlands of central Mexico and Central America. Beneath a thin, greenish to golden peel lies creamy, sweet flesh, with fruit weights ranging from a couple ounces up to nearly 2 pounds. Popular varieties include Rheineck, Dade, Pike, Subel, Smathers, Homestead, and Golden, each with its own flavor profile. The trees favor subtropical climates with a distinct cool or dry season, and seedlings can take 7 to 8 years before bearing fruit. 21. Yuzu. Yuzu is Japan's citrus star, a small, bumpy yellow fruit that looks like a cross between a lemon and a grapefruit, with a tart zing and a complex floral herbal aroma. Originally from China, it's been a staple of Japanese and Korean cooking for centuries and has more recently caught on internationally. You've likely tasted it already if you've had ponzu sauce, which pairs yuzu's citrus brightness with soy sauce for a marinade or dipping sauce. Fresh yuzu is hard to find outside Japanese markets, typically appearing in season from September through February, and it's used much like a lemon or lime, a squeeze here, a bit of zest there. 22. Lucuma. Known as the gold of the Incas, lucuma comes from the South American highlands and offers a flavor reminiscent of maple, sweet potato, and butterscotch. It's also nutrient-dense, packed with beta-carotene, iron, zinc, vitamin B3, calcium, and protein. Beyond nutrition, lucuma carries deep cultural symbolism in the Andes, representing longevity and fertility, and appears in ceramics and art from ancient Peruvian cultures. Rarely eaten fresh, even at home, it's most often found as a powder used to sweeten desserts, ice cream, and even beer. 23. Baobab. The majestic baobab tree, Africa's tree of life, produces a fruit encased in a hard, coconut-like shell. Crack it open and you'll find dry, tangy, sweet white pulp, somewhere between citrus and pear. Rich in vitamin C, calcium, potassium, thiamine, and fiber, Baobab fruit has sustained African communities for centuries. The pulp flavors sauces and stews or gets rehydrated into a refreshing drink, while the seeds are roasted as a snack or pressed into oil. In the West, Baobab powder has become a popular superfood addition to smoothies, oatmeal, and yogurt. 24. Carambola. The carambola, or star fruit, is instantly recognizable. Sliced crosswise, it forms a perfect star. Native to Southeast Asia, its vibrant green to gold skin encloses juicy flesh that balances sweet and tart, delivering vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants in every crisp bite. 25. Maracuya. Maracuya, or passion fruit, tastes like a distillation of the tropics. Beneath its tough, wrinkled skin lies golden, seed-flecked pulp with a flavor that dances between sweet, tart, and tangy, often compared to guava and peach. Packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and minerals, maracuya comes from the striking passion flower, a bloom steeped in centuries of history and symbolism. From the peculiar to the profound, these 25 fruits are nature's own masterpieces. Which one would you try first? Share your pick in the comments below, and keep your fruit bowl as diverse as the cosmos. If you enjoyed this voyage through the flavors of the world, hit like and share it with your fellow flavor astronauts. This is Done Discovery, signing off.